Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to recover unsaved workbooks in Excel. Let's see how to do this. Go to File, go to Info. Here we have an option called Manage Workbook. Click here. Recover unsaved workbooks. Click here. Open this file. These are some of the versions saved when we entered the data within the time. You can click on any file. That's all, the file is recovered. In this way, you can recover unsaved workbooks in Excel. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.